Knock knock. Hello. Hi. Hey, that's right. Hello. You there? Namaste, people. This is me, Pavana. Welcome to my channel, Pavradi. This is another DIY video, and this week's video is really special because tomorrow is a Mother's Day. I've come up with a DIY gift, and as flowers are really special for any occasion, I've come up with a DIY where we do flowers. And this DIY, whatever I do, is a present for all the mothers out there, and everyone watching this can make this for your mothers. And yeah, let's not waste much time and we'll get into the video. Take a feather stick and do a measurement. Just take a measurement of the ribbon. Now cut it. Cut these ribbons now. What are we going to do is we'll cut these ribbon again into half. So take this much of a ribbon, this much part of a ribbon, fold it, and you just have to burn the edges, okay? And stick them. You can also use a lighter. I'm using a candle, so with the help of candle, I'm just burning the edges and sticking it, okay? You'll get something like this. So we'll make a lot of them. Yeah, we have to stick these ones now, okay? Using glue, you just have to stick this one on another, okay? One upon another, we keep sticking them. So I have these stick now, so you just have to turn all the petals behind and you just apply glue, okay? Before that, make sure you have a stick in the hand because the glue dries up very quick. Take a stick, roll it, okay? You just have to keep rolling it. Yeah, you have the flower ready. I have two now. I'll make a few more of them. So yeah, we'll do it. So the flowers are ready. You can also paint these sticks. I've done it with pearl white. Yeah, you can see I've done the painting with pearl white. So you can also do it with silver or with gold, or you can just leave it like that. Anything is fine. So these are ready. I have these sticks, okay, and these extra dried stem. So I'll be using these and we'll decorate it, okay? So this is done, okay? I'm using a jute thread and tying them up. and this is there. Okay, note. So yeah, this is ready. To all the mothers, happy Mother's Day. And mommy, if you're watching this, happy Mother's Day to you, and I love you so much. Thank you so much for being the best mother. And yeah, I think mothers have to be celebrated every single day
for their love, for their sacrifice, for their support, for their care.
I think one day is never enough to celebrate mothers.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day. I love you so much, Mom. And yeah,
thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and I hope you guys love this DIY video. If that is yes, what are you waiting for? Go like the video and do share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to click the bell icon next to it. Yeah, so this is all about this week's video. Till next Saturday, Namaste. Happy Mother's Day.